I'm a goddamn individual. Sense of self makes me indivisible. With a flow that's so irresistible. And I've been running this like an elliptical. Inadmissible in my physical. Habitual is inexplicable.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to Half-Baked Hair Reviews. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for checking this video out. And if you're new to this channel, just smash that subscribe button and give me a like if you're looking for new units and updates on those units. So the unit that I'm going to review today is the unit I'm wearing, which is one of the highly talked about new units that just came out. This is the Sensationnel Lace Danzie wig. I'm wearing it in the color 4, and if you want to see a couple stylings that I did with this unit, just stay tuned for this video. So the best part about this unit, I feel like, is the fact that it looks so realistic. But one of the downsides that comes with the fact that it looks so realistic is the fact that you can't really run your fingers through this hair. You can't really style this hair too much or it'll get all big and crazy on you. I mean, it does add to the realistic look of it because you kind of get this fuzziness going on. But at the same point, it also makes me feel like this unit won't last that long. Even if you were to just leave it the way that it comes in the middle part, I feel like it will not last that long just because the texture and the amount of hair on this. I'm a person that absolutely loves big hair, but when I tell you this is big hair, this is big hair. I didn't go in and cut it and layer it and none of that, which I know a lot of people who are reviewing this unit did, because I sort of wanted to give a view for somebody who isn't super wig savvy and sort of just works with what they're given without layering and all the extra. So this would be pretty much how it came, aside from the fact of me styling it, laying down the baby hairs, adding some concealer. It does come with your standard 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back. This hair is ridiculously big head friendly. I adjusted the straps and it's still kind of big on me. It's nothing crazy, but I do have a smaller size head. So if you have a smaller size head, just keep that in mind that this may be a little bit big on you. But the curl pattern at the top is definitely a little bit different than at the bottom. One of the things I do not like about this unit is the fact that it's already fuzzy even when you take it out of the pack, so that's definitely something to be aware of. So this is just your typical what lace. So as you guys all know, probably, of course, this has that ashy lace. So what I pretty much just did was add my concealer on the inside and on the outside. I feel like it did help some, but I guess the true test will be outside wearing it and seeing how crazy it looks. Yeah, this isn't even everything to the front, you guys. So this is everything to the front, and like, I don't know, I still like it because like I said, I love big hair, so like I feel like it's realistic, it's really big, it's fun, like, right? This is to the side. And this is everything to the back. But like, look at this, super natural looking. Number 4, like, I don't know, I really do love it. But what I suggested, if you're on a budget and you're trying to find a unit that's going to last you a good amount of time, no. What I suggested, if you got a little extra money and you're trying to be cute and maybe you got a birthday going up or a party, or like you're trying to go out and look really cute and just stunt, then I would definitely suggest it. But I feel like for the price point of this, at almost like $60, it's not worth it for the fact that it's not going to hold up for as long as you would like it. But if you are looking for a unit that's specifically just for special occasions and stuff like that, then I would suggest it. And I also would put this in the category of throw and go because it didn't take too much work for me to manipulate it. The most work was in the baby hairs, and even that didn't take too much work. So I feel like, yeah, this is definitely a good buy, at least for me. So that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. It's a cute one. Hope you like this video. Hope you like this unit as much as I do. If you like this video, give me a like, give me a subscribe, give me a comment. Just tell me any more units you think I should pick up, any different colors. And until then, I hope to see you soon. Bye.